This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 2, Java Programming Steps. This video introduces Java programming and its syntax, highlighting how it enables learners to write programs, understand computation, and develop computational thinking and algorithms. It explains that Java programs are saved with a Java extension and compiled into class bytecode files using the javac command, which can then be executed on any platform thanks to Java's platform independence. The video contrasts Java's platform-independent execution model with the preprocessor, compiler, assembler, and linker steps required for C and C programs to produce machine-specific executables. It discusses key difference between Java and C, such as Java's lack of multiple inheritance, operator overloading, template classes, and pointers, while also noting Java's platform independence lacking in C. The presentation explores the possibility of writing multi-class programs in Java beyond simple single-class examples like Hello World App, Java, and compiling and executing such programs. It also investigates the potential for executing Java programs within web browsers, further highlighting Java's versatility for web and internet applications. In summary, the video teaches coding skills for computational thinking and technology careers, emphasizing Java's platform independence through bytecode and the JVM, its differences from CC in object orientation and execution model, its suitability for web internet applications compared to CF's strength in large systems, and the exploration of multi-class programs and browser execution in Java. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.